this video we are going to write text behind a video, so stay tuned and let's go learn how to write text behind. First of all, import your video to your timeline, and here you can set the ratio in the format section. It's 69. First, go to write text, add text, this one. This seems okay. So once you're done here, you can also style your text like this one. Here, if you increase this one up to the end of this timeline, that's done, and export this in HD quality. Project is exported. Now just go to CapCut again, import this new created video, and now just go to overlay section here and add an overlay. The video you imported before, and make the original size of the background video. Stay on the timeline. Here you just go to cutout. If you have not updated with this one CapCut, then you wouldn't have cutout, you would have removed background. Cutout and remove the background. Alright, so play video. Cool. This is how you can easily write text behind any video. I hope you got the idea. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe, guys. I need your support. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until unless, stay awesome.